Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian-style chicken noodle soup. This recipe brings a comforting warmth with a unique blend of spices. We'll start by preparing the chicken, then move on to building the rich, flavorful broth. It's a perfect meal for any day, offering a delightful twist on a classic. Get ready to enjoy a truly aromatic and satisfying soup experience. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot and brown your chicken pieces thoroughly. This step locks in the savory flavors. Next, add finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic to the pot, cooking until they become translucent and aromatic. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder, allowing the spices to bloom for about 1 minute. This creates a fantastic base for our soup. Now, pour in 6 cups of good quality chicken broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Add 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as diced carrots and green peas, for extra nutrition and color. Reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and very tender. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to add the noodles. Stir in 2 cups of pre-cooked egg noodles or vermicelli, letting them heat through for just a couple of minutes. Finish with a generous handful of fresh, chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty kick. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious Indian-style chicken noodle soup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.